Hey, so we're going to build something live together, and prerequisites for this session is a laptop and a Claude subscription, which is $17 a month, definitely worth the investment. And we're going to build something together, something simple but super useful. And yeah, okay, so I have my screen up here. What I am thinking of building today is helping you accelerate your career. Let's say you're exploring jobs or even opportunities to freelance, and you want to reach out to someone on LinkedIn, and you want to write them a personalized message, but having context of what you're applying for or what opportunity you're looking for, and with context of your resume, your portfolio, anything else that you want to update. And yeah, let's actually start planning this out with Claude here. So, okay, I have something called as Whisper downloaded, which is a really cool app. I almost have stopped typing and I only talk to Whisper and, explain whatever I need, and it transcribes and tells me writes it all out. So let's get started. Hey Claude, today, I'm trying to build something for, increasing my opportunities. So I want to reach out to folks on LinkedIn using context of my resume and portfolio and any other, also the job description or any other article in reference or even reference of the company that I'm trying to reach out to. And I want you to also understand the whole profile of who I'm reaching out to so that it's personalized. And I basically want to build something like a Chrome extension where I can, on toggling it on, it probably has somewhere where I can set up and give it all the context that I need. And from the context of the LinkedIn profile I am on, it should help me draft a personalized message for them. Also help me understand that how can I actually feed you the details of the company, because my resume and my profile or my writing style, my voice is all fed in, but help me brainstorm on this and write me like a requirement doc that I can send over to Claude Code. And I paste it here and it's all here. This is so cool. Okay, I'm changing this. Actually, Sonnet 4.6 should be good for this task. I think it's not too complicated and I want to probably save a little bit on my tokens. So yep, let's go. And okay. Profile, company, and so on. Okay, it's calling out the risk as well. The company context problem. Oh, this is signing carefully. You let the user paste a URL or write structured notes. Okay, let's see. Now this is the requirement doc. And you know what? I'm not going to read through all of it. Yeah, I think this can be out of scope, like auto sending messages. I do want to review it once before I send it out. And yep. Cool. Let's actually just get started with the building. I'm going to copy this part from here to here. Actually, even this, but let's open the terminal now. So terminal. So if you've not set up Claude Code before, it's super simple. Go to Claude Docs and it actually gives you a nice a simple setup. If you're on Mac, it's super simple. You just have to paste this exact thing inside of your terminal. If you are on Windows, there are a bunch of one or two more steps. If you really need, I could probably explain this in a separate video, but it's actually a super simple setup. Also, don't get scared of looking at this terminal. I never, had seen it earlier, and it sometimes looks scary, but all you have to do is just follow the instructions. So if you already have Claude installed, all you have to say is Claude, and it's going to access one of my workspaces, which is absolutely okay. And I'm going to trust this folder. Yes, I do. And it's welcoming me back. And okay, I'm pasting all that I had copied, and let's go. Okay, while it goes through things, you can scroll on your phone, go do your things. There's also a mobile integration that's coming up for the Pro plan, already out there for the Max plan. So yeah, keep allowing. You can probably, if you want it in a very specific folder, there actually is a quick command, cd is like going into your directory. So let's say you have like desktop, and then inside that you have like something called as Claude, and then you have all your projects there. So you can just do cd desktop / Claude, or you can just ask it questions as to like, how do I direct it there. Okay, it's going and asking for, mostly you can say yes to most of the things, but anywhere if you feel like this is not looking okay to me, you can interrupt it and ask it to explain what. Okay, so it's been 3 minutes. I went and grabbed some water and just moved around. And here's what it's asking me. So it says the command contains base expansion that will alter command parsing. Okay, I don't understand anything, so let's ask it to explain. So I love this about Claude Code. It gives you an option to explain. Okay, I love this. So it's just creating another nested directory, and it's just basically creating files. So that's all right. So I'm going to say yes, proceed. And yes. I sometimes don't like to always allow things because I feel like I have a little bit control over it, but you actually can. Okay, yes. It's just asking to create files. Yeses. Okay, I've just got my book and I'm just reading and searching my meaning or my purpose of life. Well, Claude codes for me. Wow, it's finding issues and correcting it itself, which is crazy. Okay, it's been, I guess I was seeing the last time was 13 minutes. Not bad. Let's see how well it's done. It's given me the list of instructions on how I can have it up and running because it's an extension. It's not just an app that I can open a website to, but this is going to be easy. So it's already done the first step. It's asking me to go to Chrome extensions. So here I am. Oh wait, I think it's from here. Yep, go to extensions, manage extensions. I've done another extension before, so I kind of know these steps, but yeah, so enable developer mode, load and pack. So my developer mode is enabled. I'm going to load this. Okay, it's here, and this is the file that folder that's created. I just have to click on this and select, and it's here. Okay, let's see if we're missing any other instructions. It's given me the file structure, what all key design decisions it also took, and yep, so I have to add my API key and paste my resume, pitch, voice samples, etc. And okay, let's see. Okay, here I am. Let's load it. API key not set up. Let's open the settings. So it's asking me the API key. Which I'm going to paste here. Validate. Okay, I am facing this issue. Let's see why that's happening and ask it. Okay, it's correcting itself. Okay, I will have to reload the extension. So basically go here, reload it, and let's try and open it again. Paste my key. Oh, oops. I just pasted the last command. Let me copy my key again. Okay, validated. Ideally, I think I would have wanted like a file upload. Let's make that change quickly and work from there. Or in the meantime, while we want to test it and we add that as an enhancement, let me actually just open a new chat, ask it to scrape my resume. Here my resume is. Let me download this. And I'm also going to ask it to scrape my portfolio quick. Hey, can you go through my resume and my website and give me it in text format that I can paste it somewhere? So I am adding this and this. Okay, current focus. Let's see. Okay, I am going to leave this one blank. By then, this has already been generated, and I'm going to just quickly paste this here. Okay, this is optional per session. Let's see how that works. Yeah, I think I want to be warm and direct. Medium drafts per generation 3. Okay, okay. The save is a little off. We can correct that. And this is saved. Now let's see how this works. I am going into LinkedIn. Okay, I see. Let's actually find someone relevant. Let's go to Y Combinator. See some startup directory. Sort by launch date. Maybe AI native on device job automation. That sounds interesting. Okay, this looks nice. AI agents for document filing. This is the founder. This is their LinkedIn, and this is what has loaded from our Chrome extension. Limited profile data detected. This is probably going to be because of what Claude had already warned us about. But let's understand little about the company. Okay, do I want to give some context? Hey, I saw you recently got funded by YC and you are solving an interesting problem with document filing. And it's an interesting problem statement. I would love to help. So I'm just drafting something super generic. Let's see what messages it gives me. Okay, I like this. Congrats on the YC funding. Document filing sounds. I'm a full stack designer. Would love to learn what you've been building. I think let's try and make it more personal. It's not really. Oh, okay. Should have shown. Like, I'm sure there is a lot of improvement for user experience. Giving it feedback. And just how and where the buttons are placed. It's a little confusing, but not too much. It's a really great working prototype in under 15 minutes. It's crazy. Seriously, okay, this is weird because I said more personal and then it just gave me this. So it's basically asking me to write these things here. Okay, okay, most glance. Not bad, but I think I would have liked some more data. He also doesn't have a lot of data. Let's try and find one more company or a profile which has, you know what, let's go for something big. Okay, you know what, let's just do Airbnb. Let's see how they, okay, this is the CPO. I'd love to reach out to him. Oh, he's also studied from National Design Studio, so definitely has a design background. Oh, he is the US Chief Design Officer. Very interesting. Let's see if it actually take context from his design background, and let's see. Okay, it didn't even fetch the name, so I'm a little confused here. Didn't even fetch the company, so let's go back and check with Claude. So it's working fine, but it seems to be extracting very limited data from the page, including the name and company as well. Well, this could be a problem with LinkedIn scraping, but let's see if there's a solution that Claude can come up with. Okay, I think it's almost done. It said that the way the scraper was written was not ideal. So it's made some changes. Let's see. So yeah, it's saying reload the extension and test on a profile. Okay, let's go back here, reload this. It's saying it's reloaded, and let's try with this again. Let me reload this profile as well, and let's actually take context of design background and generate. I'm not sure if I should have tried the extension on and off again. Let's see, because it's still showing me the. Okay, let me try actually also turning this off and on again and reload it. And oops, sorry. And reload this page. Okay. I think it's still scraping. It still says unknown. Did it reload the extension, or was I supposed to? Okay, I just let it. I pasted the command it was suggesting. Okay, it's asked me to reload it. Okay, it's asked me to make this edit as well. Clean build. Okay, I reloaded. I don't know why it asked me to do this, but let's try again. Okay, so it's asking me to debug a small thing. So it's asking me to go to any LinkedIn profile, click the, and then open DevTools. It's giving me the shortcut as well. Console tab, look for link. Okay, so it basically is telling me to show me what all you actually fetch from. So this is the console. Let's go here. Oh, okay. Let's refresh. And yep, these are the bunch of errors that I'm getting. And let's just paste one of them. And give it here. It's the console output. So I mean, these are just a few things that do help. This is kind of where the code adds some logs so that it can actually log as to what is going wrong and then make those fixes to the code. These are just some things that you will learn along the way as you're building. Don't worry, I didn't know of this either earlier. So yeah, don't get scared. Okay, so it's saying that this is LinkedIn's own JavaScript. So look for the LIA log. Okay, it's asking me to actually see if I have to paste this. So okay, this, let's paste this. Okay, okay, am I missing something? Type, oh, oops. Okay, if nothing shows up, isn't running, and check the console drop down to set the LinkedIn tab context not on top, or try switching the context selector in your extension. Drop down. Sorry, where's the console drop down? Let's see. Okay, I'm not sure about this. I'm just gonna say that I don't see it. I don't see anything on pasting LIA. Oh, it's actually asking me. Yep, it's running. It's asking me to paste this as well. Oh my god. Did my screen just freeze? Okay, let's actually open this one. Okay, now it's asking me to refresh, hardly reload the LinkedIn profile, and then open the dev console, and yeah, let's first reload this. I think we didn't do that when we were like doing the dev console thing. Hard refresh, and oops, forgot this. Okay, it's actually done a little bit. If you see that line, the script is running. Group of, look for a red button. Okay, let's also try and generate if it's actually getting some context of the name, but it still says limited profile data. So okay, it works now, and I'm seeing the LL logs, and this is what came. No, I think it's just like looking for the logs, and it's going to right below the console, and okay, I'm just going to give a screenshot because I'm really not sure what it's expecting. I am not understanding what I to expand the LI's create profile. Am I getting it right? Is there something I'm missing? No. Okay, it's asking me to type this here, and I had done that. I'm just seeing if there's something that, and I'm going to paste this again and say this is all I found. Oops, it's saying triangle. Okay, but I don't see a triangle. I think I should have opened this. But okay, let it come back. It's made some changes again. I need to refresh, reload this, do a hard refresh, go back to let me open LinkedIn. Okay, so this is waiting. Let it come through. Okay, and okay, let me give this. Okay, it's identified a few things. There is some timeout issue that's basically happening. Let's see if it's able to fetch the right things now. Let's do a hard refresh. Okay, this was quite a bit. So let me give this. It did find quite some things. It's talked about the about, the location. I don't know why it says location followed by. So it's not being able to extract the name and the headline and the experience. And those are things that are important, but it is possible that LinkedIn is not allowing that. So let's just share this. But some bit of it is still helpful. I mean, we are still just trying to fetch just data that's already public. Okay, it wasn't able to extract a few things. It's probably, it did make a few changes, but I think this is the best it can do. But let's see how far it's gotten. Refresh. Let me open this again. Oh my god, this guy's going to hate me. And Okay, we found the name. We didn't get the headline and the location, which is, I think we can deal with it for now. And let's actually change this. Let's call this email. Let's make it formal. Let's make it a cold email, and I'm not adding any other prompt, and let's generate a message. Okay, this is not bad. It has the name. It's talked about. It's given some reference of your appointment. It's super formal, and I'm looking for a role. But it says early stage startup company. That's not right, though. It doesn't also say that he's working. Okay, and oh, this is nice. I like draft too because it is talking about Airbnb. This is really nice actually. Origin stories taught in design schools, and exploring my next role. And it's also given context of Samara because it's where he's also co-founder. And let's just quickly see. Okay, this talked about his education. I mean, this is actually pretty good, I think. This is a great start, and we were able to complete all of this in less than an hour with making fixes. And this is honestly not so easy a product to build. This would have probably taken a developer a couple of days to build, and I think it's a great job. I could just copy this, and oh, he doesn't have a option to mail him, but never mind. But yeah, if you're also trying to build something like this, it's actually super easy to build it, though it's a complex product. And if you want to do any more such sessions, or you have some cool ideas, let's try and do it live. Now that I think of it, I can actually sell this Chrome extension, but I'm definitely going to put it to use for my own self, and work with it to reach out to some potential folks who'd like to work with me.